Alright, guys. We're back. Man, I did a few stuff off stream. Grab this water shader from Godot shaders.com, and they just put a random texture on the terrain. And there's a lot of work involved in doing this because I had to change the texture to a M format or DDS format, and then I have to generate bitmaps for it and stuff like that. It was kind of weird, and it's obviously not really tiling, right? That's ugly over there. Zoom out. And I got this working. I don't remember if I did show you guys. So could go to object scatter. Could place it anywhere I want. Then let's generate 100 trees. Scatter object. Up right. I gotta turn on this guy. Where is it? Show collision. Then I could generate object scatter. Scatter objects. Oh. I need to figure out what I'm messing up. Notice it's actually going way over. Plan for it to do. So let's go back to in the code here real quick. Where am I doing? Right here. Global transform X and Z. Y. Then oh, that make a. Oh right, that's fine. I ain't doing it. I didn't see the fuzzy get collision. Okay. Start location. Mm, will position. I'm making a mistake somewhere here. Mesh size X Y. And then oh, look at that. Oh, I should try it again. I also have a feature to clear the objects. I'll keep an array of them, so all this. So try it again. Hit this here. There you go. So I could just generate a bunch of trees anywhere of this object. Put some there. Pretty useful. So I don't have to be placing a bunch. Could change the size of this too, just to cover how bigger. Let's put some by the player. Okay. More right there. Right. And I could improve it too, so it just I could generate different items. No loop, like multiple. Same thing. Alright. I'm stopped somehow. And that's gonna go on forever. Yeah, that I don't like the water. Why is it doing that? Been doing that since the fix. And this texture need to get reduced too. It's kind of big. Look at the size of those leaves. This one probably work on the textures a bit more. Ah, damn it. Yeah, I need to work on the text. I'll make better textures. I could open my inventory now, so I have 11 logs. Can't do anything with them. I mean, I can craft with them. I don't have anything that use logs or craft an axe. So in the inventory, I need to have like a shortcut thing, like right somewhere on here, where I could place them. Like place in the thinking how to do that. I don't want to make a full-on inventory system. Should probably start working on rocks and stuff like that. Here, this one. I don't have a full that I want to do. Oh yeah. Oh, I just figured something out. Don't have to actually keep track of them. Just need to get the parent and get rid of this refs. Oh no, I actually dumb. I'm thinking. Oh, must be a way I could tag them. I think do this. Add them to group. Right here, say J. Add group. Gettered. This way I could just grab them. Let's create a const equals get it up. Or just call it tag. Group tag or whatever. Group tag. Object. Group tag. Then right here, I am parent object, parent node dot get children. If I dot is in group tag, and we're gonna quit for it. Need an error. Right, that's all I have to do. So now when I generate something again, boom, and clear. Cool. All right, that works. Okay, so where am I? What's next? Should make a what do you call it? Let's open up again and see what's going. Where is it? Tools. Make a new tool. to have the axe already, now I need a pickaxe. Open up Blender real quick. We need to append so we could look at that just around the same size. Assets and uh-oh. To rename it. Alright, so we got that. I could just steal this piece. Yeah. I use the same base. Let's just delete this part. Level the edges. Up. C. Could throw this right here. What was the back? Oh, it's usually flat, not that way. Other way. Z. Out that X. Right here, short. This part in. Trying to remember the exact. Side. True. Here. Grab on. Grab there. Add a observe that I have to separate it. P. Surface. How I was. Add some here. Back piece should be wider actually. Longer. Grab one. Move him up and these guys. Yeah. Level here doesn't extend this. Pick him up. Solid. Wasn't too hard. Alright, now I could save this guy. Oh, I need to apply this guy first. It's low level. Apply. then merge them back together. J. Bottom one, good. Rename this to X. Save it as I need to actually open up. Alexander, what's up, man? Put on some music. No, wish. That'd be crazy. Just got off work, so starting to finish this up. I did a few stuff. Let me show you. Off stream. Oop, Gordon. So I grabbed this water shader from call it. Let me just play it. Go. I don't like it. Look how it's twitching. I don't know why it's doing it. Cause I had to like fix it cause it was for Godot 3.0. I had to change up a few stuff to get. And I added the blueness to it too. This is just checking how high I am. It's not even perfect. Look at it. I gotta figure out how to properly know what level I am at. Just color it over the screen that I hide. It's pretty good though, but and I fixed this object scatter. So all that mesh is for is to know where something is gonna spread. I'm just using the size on X and Z. X and Y, I mean. The plane. So I could just generate some. It shoots a bunch of rays at random spots on it. Whatever it touches, it generates a tree there. Pretty good. And I need to update it though, so I could have a list of stuff and then set how often it should generate it. Be pretty good. But move faster. Let's see. Yeah, that would help actually. Should I do that? Let me do that. I'm gonna do it actually. So let's go back in here. I'm gonna make a new resource. Call it gather item. Let's see. Here, create script. Scatter item. I could make this an actual plugin too. So I think I'll put it. And then I want it to inherit from resource. Create. Put it. Alright, I'm gonna put it in the add-ons. I could make it an add-on. Alright, let's create an add-on. Project and plugins. Create new plugin. Object spreader. Getter. It's the same code, so getter. Subfolder. Object. Getter. It's gonna be pretty simple. Just creates the class. Script name. Alright, I'll leave that as whatever it is. Order Chevy Fire. Leave it to version 1. Do it now. Alright, what do I want to do? For object equal. Let's grab this code here. Or that F2. I put it in an actual plugin area. Okay. Or duplicate to on object. I broke stuff. Oh, that's because I have this open. Uh oh. I don't know if you guys are chatting still. Let me double check. Anti-freeze. Uh, you mentioned anti-freeze. My car was messed up yesterday, so I had to get the what do you call it, thermostat removed or changed. I had to do that a month ago, so they did it for free. Something was wrong. I don't know what it is, but what am I doing? Oh, plugins. Um, objects. Where's the plugin? Script. The plugin. This. Oh, okay. Just made it. Plugin. Uh, getter. Oh, I should make it a script actually. Boy. Um, not. Oh, script. I'm trying to remember how to create a jig. Create. What was it? How did I do this? Trying to remember. Let me double check what I did for my plugin. Um, quest manager. I mean, oh, okay. Reload single. Okay. I shouldn't even bother with this. I don't need to do it. Load of win. I did that the wrong way. Yeah, I don't need that as a plugin. I'll leave it. Trying to remember how to create a node. Like a custom node. Don't need this. Yeah, I do not need it. Because when I... You guys remember how to do that? I'm kind of stuck here. Alright, I'm gonna leave this alone. Let me create that actual header item. That up in here. Then work with it. So what I need is a var item to getter equals a vaccine or at. We need to set a scatter rate, export range 1, oops, 0.0, 1.0, scatter rate, our frequency. Wait and see. Set it to 0.5. What's oh, that's all for that. Always come back and add some more. Now for the object scatter now, need to create a need to just call that plugin. Gonna throw me off. Oh. And save that. Then to up top. So in here we need the array. Export array of object scatter. I need to give it the class name as well. Scatter item. Copy this. Wrong things here. Where is it? Gotta add you. Class name. Scatter item. Extends that. Need to close all of these stuff. Well, close all tabs. I think. Alright, now we could save this and open up the island. I'm gonna need to work on how it works though. Right here. Checks the scatter. Need to do some checking here. Say create a function. Get next item. Put it here, cut this. Get next item. Then I'll just do a loop for I in objects to scatter. Let's just grab one of them for now. That item, what did I call it? Double check. Item. Let's just call it item. But instantiate. And sheet. Goes to var item. I need to do a probability check right here. And just break for now. Break. Return. I need to check if it's null too as well. Oh. Oh, nope. I better item. Oh. I have an idea. I'm gonna do it. For the scatter item, I'm gonna just say get item. And if it returns null, I get the next item. If that returns null, I get the next item. That's a good way to do it. Scatter item, I'm gonna have a function that does the random check. Then return item. But then I have to return one item at least. get item. Oh, let's open up that island back again. Object scatter. No way, I can't get an array of stuff. There's something. Objects. Items. Could. Save. Let's check if it's null or no. That item. Oh. Island. Go. Just one. Better item. Quick load. These. This frequency here. Perfect. And let's test. Oh. Ah. Oh, I need to. Beautiful. Works exactly. We're back to this again. All I need to do now is set up this guy. Or the issue, if there's none, how to do it. Okay, funk. Where did I, how do I do this? If rand f created equal to get a frequency. Yep. and I want to turn item else turn item item on scatter item it if item if I get an item then I break else yeah I should just one sheet. There you go. And I come back here. Else so I need to check if so if item if object no if object do all this all right otherwise to the next trick let's add a rock to this back to object this one and let's go back here let's add an element add another one other item and code I think I created the rock I like that oh well set the frequency to 1 as well set both of them to 1 so they always return all right try square objects first uh-oh all right now try that again non-existent oh yeah the other item should be a tool as well tool uh, load then we could try it again hear that leave none no. I need some music. Hold on. Yeah. Dude. Stream music. Much better. Tasty. Alright. See what I'm doing wrong. Mm. Mm. The next item. Item equals null. If item get item. Item break. Turn that item. Item. Run if greater than scatter frequency. Turn item. Turn null. Might be missed. Alright, let's put this in a simple test it out. Add a CS3 box. Then change its sizes to maybe 40 by 40. Add that object scatter. Pretty sure I named it. It should be a class. Scatter. Oh, I didn't give it a class name. Class name. Scatter. It should be able to do that now. Add node. Scatter. Alright, I have to reload again. The whole thing. Close a couple of these guys as well. Object. It should be a mesh. I don't get why it's doing that. Meshes. Mesh. Hey, you're not looking. I think Godot was supposed to be doing that automatically. I think. I'm not sure though. Alexander. I think it should be just doing it. Mesh. For some reason, this guy isn't working. Hold on, let me. My object scatter. I need to delete this. That's probably why it's not working. Yeah, delete that. I gotta re-import that again on the island. That's not a big deal. So the object. Am I not extending something I should be? Last name object scatter. Right? Maybe I'm gonna get rid of this tool real quick. Maybe I have to reload. I'm not sure. Why is it doing that? Reload the project. The thing is, it's supposed to pop up in the nodes menu. So I could just add it time I want. I think there's a way to add custom nodes too. As the plug from the plugin. Oh, I see why. Because it's a part of the plugin, that's why it's not the config. And I need to change this to plugin. Plugin. Maybe that's why it's not doing that. Like anything that's in the add-ons. Let's try something. Add custom type. Here you go. So string. Object getter. This is a mesh instance. Mesh instance 3D. Script is this guy. Object getter. I think that's it. Oh no, I need an icon too. Why? See if I need a icon. Custom type. New line after n. Oh. Two argument selected forward. The fourth thing. I have to add a text? But no. There you go. Alright, let's see if that works. So plugin. Oh, I could probably try that. Object. There you go. Nice. Alright, so. Is it small? Object getter. Appeal and add a mesh to it. It should only be a plain mesh. Let's do 10 by 20 by 20. Then could enable collision on this guy, and then parent node self other items to new. And another one. Rock. And let's see. Place item. Okay. No, it wasn't working. But try again. Item. There's the rocks. There's a 50-50 chance either one get placed. Weird, but get our object again. Nice. Works beautifully. So, now leave. Open up the island again. Uh-oh. Ah. Good. Let's see. Can I get rid of it? Alright, let's just call it a rock. Replace object scatter with a rock. That. Save. Oh, I could add back the object scatter. Current node. Oh. Then. Hey, nerfer. What's up? Sorry, I wasn't paying attention. For some reason, my OBS chat isn't working. So it's the browser I'm using. So I'm like looking way across my second screen. So I just fixed the object scatter so now I could add a lot of items to spread around. There you go. Then I just say create a new scatter item. It's a resource. Then I give it a scene. So let's put back the trees in here. And then I have some rocks now. So new scatter item. I just create a plugin. It's a plugin now. So and rock. And I could tell it how often to spread it. So I could put the more trees and rocks or vice versa. Less rocks. Then you could scatter object. Oh wait, no, not yet. Need a mesh first. Plain mesh. Set the size to be 100 by 100 meters. Oh, it's below the floor too. Alright, then we could do that. So scatter object. There you go. I don't know where it's going. Where did it scatter? Did create them. Oh, and then I have a water shade as well. Where did it put them? Oh, I'm just blind. It just did a lot more rocks. It's just all rocks it did. That's why I was confused for a second. I did the wrong thing. Oh, let me see. Where's object scatter at? That's weird. I might have wrote something backwards. So the frequency should be higher. Or is it? Oh, my mistake. Let's look at that code. So, where is it? In the scatter item. Look what I did. I said if it's greater than the frequency. Is that... Am I doing that backwards? Or should it be less than the frequency? Not sure if I got that backwards. Should it be less than? Or... Am I crazy? Random. So this gives me a number between 0 and 1, right? I'm saying if it's greater than the frequency. Say for example, if this is 0.1 right now. Yeah, it should be working the way I think, right? For some reason it did all rocks. It was really random. Less than, yes, it should be less. I'm just realizing what I'm doing wrong. I got that all wrong. Save. Yeah. I said I did all rocks, but I said it to do all trees and less rocks. So this is for the trees. I don't know why it's a log there, but it's the trees. I can't do anything about that. Or maybe I could. I don't know. So frequency of trees will be 1. Frequency of rocks should be 0.5. Put it to 0.2. Then try it again. There you go. Let's make it a lot more too. 100. Go in. There you go. I could test it out. Walk over there. I should hide it. It's still there, but because it's a plane, you can't see it from under the bottom. Oh. Where's the rocks? And I just created the pickaxe too. Oh, there's a rock over there. There's a rock right here. Can't hit rocks though. I have to use a pickaxe for that. So here's the... Oh, I forgot to show you the inventory I made too. I don't know if you saw it. It's gonna be a regular list. And I have a crafting area too. Could craft a pickaxe or craft an axe. So if I craft that, now it's in the inventory. And the items that were there are gone now. And I could add the logs. I'm adding logs now. Grab them. Should probably work on the textures, right? Logs just a random red looking color. I know that's in there. 4 logs, 1 axe. I mean, that's not this axe, but gotta work on that too. And the status is blank as well. Need to work on that. I don't have any crafting for logs yet though. But logs. I should work on that now. What's that? Oh. I don't know why that was that. Oh, let me add a feature to hide this thing. So whenever the game is started, so funk. Oh, I should just get rid of it. Quit free. But this shouldn't be in the game itself. Save. Add on it. Alright, here's the pickaxe. I already created it and put it in there, but I didn't texture it. I had to do it. Yeah, I mean I use it a lot, so use Godot a lot. Like, let's stick with it pretty much. Shade smooth. Oh, I need to turn off this thing here. Where is it? Oh, normals off. Oh. That looks so funny to me. Off there. Oh, wait, let me do this thing. Mark sharp. But this is something really light, like 15. What? Oh, okay. Yeah. A curved top. All this 3 sheets. Alright, let me texture it. Zero. This is my first one I'm ever trying to make. Never made one before. Let me change this to just be matte. Pickaxe. I mean, I played a lot of survival games, so maybe that's what's helping here. Go to preview. I need to get some better textures though. What am I doing? Use up. Nice. Make it a bit sharper. Where is it? More metallic. See, the problem with this is I should probably take some time and do it better, but for now, because this shouldn't be metallic. This should be metallic. I could create a texture to cover that, like a black and white texture. All right, let's work at that. Save. It's already in Godot, so I need to figure out how I'm gonna do the weapon switching. I don't know if you saw this yet. So this is that shader I just grabbed off the thing here, but I did this myself though, the blue, but it needs some work. That's supposed to be seen there, right here. Alright, let's see. Oh, I could show you where that was from. Actually I have to fix this shader too, by the way. It was for Godot 3.0. 3 point something. Godot shaders. Here it is. It's the water. So this code is all Godot 3.0. I had to change it a little bit. Well, not a lot, but a few stuff. You know, hints, for example, are now source. Like instead of hint black, you'd say source color, stuff like that. And there's a lot of tabs. I don't know why I did this. Kind of annoying to me. So I got rid of all of it. I'll just show you it actually. Quit out of this. Order. I left his copyright and I just add modified Godot 4, but somebody else will probably do that later, but and color mode disabled as well. That's why I could see under the water when I'm under it, I guess. You know what I mean. Alright, let's set up the axe. Open up the player. Where is he? Alright, so tools. Need to create a copy of the axe. Assets. Models. Check that it's good. That should be it. Import. Then show that on does X. Where did I save the pic? I need to make a tools here. Create a new folder, call it tools. Tools. Vaccine. Vaccine. Axum. Doesn't look like I had a I do have a or not. Let me check where. Wait, what? Oh yeah, maybe. It'd be good. Oh, it wasn't a scene. Oh well. I guess I should just drag it in. So to do that, let's go to. Should make it a scene. Branches. Can save this friend all in. Huh. I gotta redo the animation. That's gonna suck. Alright, so let me go open that X up. The asset itself. Rows. Everything's weird. Save as if seen. Close X. That's fine. Alright. Get rid of this. I gotta do all of this over again. Take this one. The related checks. Let's add it back. I'm gonna have all of them there too. Just hide them. X. Oh, I got a chance to fix this. Remember what it was? Rotate this guy. Where is it? Tools. And Y. 180, I mean. Now I could put the tools where I want it to actually stay. Basically the manager for the tools. I could mess with that. It looks from the view. Bit too high. You know what I don't use a lot? Using windows like this. I could just end up. That looks fine. Yeah, should be. Alright, let's save that. Let's add the regular pickaxe. Put at the same place as well. That one. Yeah. Alright, the tools need to know which is which, so add it to group. Just use a group for it. So this is a X. A pickaxe. Alright, then I could just the tools now I could track which is which. So this is for hidden stuff. Where am I switching tools? Select tool. Okay, select tool. Also need to check if I have a tool too. There's a bunch of stuff on it. Too much. Get children. For I in children. Get children. Hide. Be more specific. So for tool, get children, tool that hide. Then I do a match. Tool ID. X. Run today. Oh, get nodes. Do I get node and go? Get tree. Oh man. Hold on. I have to make a function to loop through it. So get tool. In. I know group was a bad idea. I could have just used an ID. Oh, wait. Could do it in the loop here. Yeah, I don't need this. Trying to figure out the shortest way to do it. So if tool is in group, go X. Oops, not that. Actual name X. And tool dot show. Then pickaxe. Same deal. So I'm hiding them while showing whichever one I need. Pickaxe here. And when I'm playing the animation, oh, this thing I didn't set up yet. Switch the tools. I mean, I set up the code shortcuts. Alright, where do I play the animation? Yep. I need to make anim play. Here. X. Gotta make that too. Copy this and just create it for now. Probably should duplicate that one. Fixing. Sure. Cancellation. Duplicate this one again, and now I could create it. And so I needed it just to have this bar here. Now for the X, just hide the X. Add the X. Now let's create stuff. That best. TV. Dog. Zoom in on here. So and transform it and then shoot, I'm making a mistake already. I'm doing it in the wrong animation. Accent. Careful with that. Alright. So we use local space. Double check. On all the time. Fine. Alright. Swing. Set this back here down. There, that key. Over a little bit. Swing. I know it's not even. Hold on, let me double check. Wait, let me insert this first. Use this as the view. I was wrong. Wish I could pop this window out. I mean, I can technically. But I need the center of the screen where I swing. Ooh. This way. Move him over here. I know I needed to switch to local. Oh. I could. There you go. That's perfect. Why does it look so weird to me? Well. And I need this again. 30 for again. That one. And search. I don't need that. Delete that one. Am I crazy? I'm trying to figure out how to swing an axe. Oh boy. Hold on. Swing. No, I should go up first. It just needs to go forward. Hey, Killian. I'm making a survival game. Let me show you. That's my character right here. Water is kind of weird. Hold on. And then F. Oh. I just messed up my animation. Oh well. And it doesn't reset now. Great. There. No need to just duplicate these guys. I see what I'm messing up at. Delete this one. Oh, honest. This should be the center. Ah, my brain, I can't figure out how to swing an axe. Dang it. Oh, hold on. Alright, let me do the position for actually. Yeah. Am I crazy? I can't figure out how to swing. I mean, I need to add a anticipation. So like he brings it up first. Let me do that. Let's go right here. Let's reset all of this stuff. Put it up, back. This actually looks good right here. Am I crazy? Here the key. For sure, I could have just pressed I to insert the key. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna delete this one. And this one. So what I want us to do now is just swing it forward. But it's not really centered though. I want it to be kind of centered. Maybe that. Let's try that. See how that looks. Alright, I need a shortcut button for that. Is there a shortcut to insert a keyframe? And pull it. Insert. Oh. Maybe I'm in the wrong spot. I'm in the wrong spot. Then insert. Or oh, it's an insert. I'd rather use I. Like Blender. Alright. I need to hold this. Let's duplicate these guys. Here. Oop. Bam. And then hold this one as well. It. Bring it back. Right. Wait and see. Yeah, that looks good. Right. I like this. I think. Alright, let's test it out in the game. Alright, let's see. Uh-oh. Let's set this as the main scene. Shortcut. Sideways. Alright. Yeah, I need it to be in the center. It looks weird because you see the little thing? That's where you're actually hitting it, so. And yeah, that does not look good. I probably need to make my own water shader or something. That looks terrible. The further I walk away from it. You have inventory, picked up 6 logs, and craft some. I should make like a learning tree where you could only craft certain things and then eventually you can craft better stuff. And I'll craft a pickaxe. Can't do that. I need stone for that. So let's work on that. Let's switch to the pickaxe. Add this guy. Animation player. Switch to pickaxe thing. This guy. What is that? And I'm gonna come back to that last, to the axe. Let's add this to it. Then let's go right here. Let's first bring it back. Ah, why is snapping? Always snapping. So weird. Bring it up a bit. Alright, and we will try the. Okay. Does not work. Hey, that sucks. The uppercase I. Yeah. Ah, that sucks. I have to actually use insert. And it doesn't work. I don't know why. I don't like the. Keep the position the same first. Ooh. I need to bring it in the center though. That more where the player will actually hit. I wish I could see it somehow. I mean, I could see it. Alright, let me try. I need to make a test area in Blender and bring it over. That's a whole. I need to set up switching weapons. Check some. Okay. Active. That. Oh, select tool. So let's go. Select tool. Active tool. Select tool hides everyone and then see if this works. Switch the tool. Uh-oh. Hide on base. Oh shoot. Right. Where should I do it? Add a sec. If as. Oh man. Can I move an animation? Wouldn't that break it? I think it does actually. Put it in the view. Maybe it doesn't. Let's see. Okay, it doesn't. That's good. So I could say 1. Uh-oh. Doesn't show anybody now. Okay, what did I mess up? Oh, if it's isn't group. X. Oh. Break. Break. Actually, no, I'm done. But I'm in a match case. Oh, right. This guy doesn't pick anything. So my tool slots are actually empty. So let's put 1 and 2 here for now. There you go. Get rid of that test. And I need to find a rock. But the rock doesn't do anything yet, so. Rock doesn't do anything yet. Where's the rest of those rocks? There's another rock. My pick. I should have an enter animation for it too. This has 6 lives. Alright. That should. Let's see something here. Inventory. Have a rope. Alright, let's create a stone. Use a simple node grid. A tree. Add a item to it. Okay. Call it stone. Item name gonna be stone. And let's give it a shape. I use a box shape now so it can actually stop rolling or not roll. Shape. And then it's a lot smaller. 1 meter size stone. Funny. So let's create a mesh afterward. And save as a item. Where's my rocks? Oh, right. Rocks. Rocks drop stone. Got it. Drop item. Load stone. Hey. Item count. Make it be 2 stones. Test it out again. Go find a stone. Thinking, where would stones more be? Like close to the seawater? E? Oops, wrong tool. Stones. If I got that in my inventory. 3, 6. I could actually craft a pickaxe. I have a pickaxe in my inventory and 1 stone left. Nice. Alright. So now I need to add the shortcut thing so I could actually have the 2 and set them up. Add some more items to the world though. Back to where did that go? Deleted that thing by mistake. World objects. Not world. That was. Oh. And you have rocks, have bugs, also need sticks. That thing go. Did I delete it? Add a. Where is it? Object scatter. Oh, that's why. Huh. Oh, I'm dumb. You know what I was doing wrong? Where is it? I'm very dumb. Object scatter is actually deleting itself. Since it's a tool, already gets called right here. I thought this was for, let me say, if is edit, how do you do this, guys? Engine dot is editor hint. Not in editor. Then I could do that. Oh yeah, I'm morely going for the force. If you know the force looks. I need to craft the I need to create a system just like the when you hold on. Hold on guys, I'm on mute for a second. Hold on this. Dang, it's the call. My doctor, I gotta go to the hospital. 1 second. I'll call him back. 1 second. I'm on mute again. Guys, I'm still here. I'm just trying to get through to this place that's just calling me. Important. Give me 1 sec. uh, uh. Okay, I'm back. They're just confirming my appointment. I gotta get my wisdom too. That's not gonna be fun. Oh, trust me, man. Well, Marco, I go through the same thing. I'm making an actual space game separate from this, but this is just for fun, right? What I'm doing now. I always wanted to try and make one of these steps again. And I've been working on that forever. I have a few devlogs on my channel. What am I doing here now? So I want to work on, let's see, some rocks maybe. So let me go into the third new. Let's delete that guy and let me import the actual append. I wanna import that stone that I had before. A rock, I should say. Object, rock. So let me grab this guy. Oh, by the way, I have an actual thing for this too. So I could say add new mesh. Or I think it's actually a volume. I don't remember which one it is. Here it is, rock generator. So the way you use this is you just come here, you could mess with these things here, could add some edge to it. Add another one. And we can move these corners around. Just down here. This, that. Let's go back in here. I should turn on where is it? This one? Remember which one it is? You could see it while you're messing with it. Grab all these bottom ones because I don't want it to be that big. This one down a bit. And select all and scale them down a bit. This is gonna be the stone. Move these on Z so they're in the center. That's a rock. Solid. Could delete that one. Then we could save as our stone, I should say. Stone. I think that's it actually. Save and then go back and Godot. Poured in stone. We'll take a look at it. That's a scene that I made, so I'm gonna drag it onto that. I need to find it first. Assets, models. I keep forgetting about these guys here. And import. Could go in the stone. Drag it in here. Could delete this. Delete this collision shape. Grab this guys. Dang. That's gonna suck. Oh, I have a better idea. Go back in the stone. Stranger seen to be the root type of a. And re-import it. So I need to override this somehow. Or just make it a new scene. Scene. And I could make a collision shape for this guy. It's simplified. There you go. And then we show that item on it. So item. Oops. Oh, not create. Touch script. Oh, I have to search for it. Load. And name this stone. And then that should be that. Then I could save this scene as override that other stone. Ah, shoot. Open, so let's close that. So see. Stone. Go. Now we could try this out again. Let's first generate a few stones. Here attach not that. New scatter. Let's grab here. One item, all gonna be a stone. I mean rock. Remember the rock creates the stones. And I could add some stones too. Doesn't matter. It just scatters anything you put in it. Set that to 1. So it scatters that all the amount of times. Then set the parent node to be world objects. And then put 20. Where is it? It's hiding right now. Put it close to me so I could actually work with it. Let's add a mesh to it. Set it to be 100. 100. Now I could just spawn a few. Let's do 50. There you go. See them on the floor. So I changed that thing into a plugin, Niffer. I think you saw that already. I don't know. Let's play. Switch to my pickaxe and bang on these guys. I really need to move it. There you go. That's cool. It's a bit tiny though, right? I mean, I guess it's a stone. I need to actually texture it. What was that? And if I check my inventory, I got 5 stones now. Rope and a stick. So I need to create sticks next. And I could craft more pickaxes. Knife. What do I need for a knife? Oh, I need to get rid of these printouts. That was just for debugging. Next steps. Next steps is, let's double check our alright, tools. Could create some more tools, but what would I use a knife for in this scenario? Oh, I need a cutlass. You guys know what a cutlass is? That would be for getting sticks from a tree, maybe. Not sure. Or I need to make smaller trees. And a fishing pole as well. Oh boy, trying to think. Or should I work on my player stats? But if I do, I need the items to heal as well. A food sources. Oh, I need a fireplace. That's what I need. And blender. Rock is really tiny, but oh, let me create the material for rock material, I guess. And that's how it looks. That's fine, I guess. Then alright, what do I need? So now I need the general. Need to make a fireplace. So you use logs, I guess, to make the fireplace, or sticks? So all these stuff you have to craft, by the way. Then you can place them. Let's see. Ash. Need a cylinder. Ah, shoot. We do that. I need to actually reduce the size amount of edges, faces. 12. Alt. Could split it up a bit. So this is just one of the fireplace things. Get some variety here. These pieces around. Next. Grab on something. This one looks too much to me too. Oops. Grab an X again. Same thing on the side. Or Y. Y. You know what I should have used the whole time? The material maker. I actually have it, but I don't use it anymore. Or I don't use it anymore, I should say. That look like a log. I'll rotate it on X. Rotate on X. Rotate on X. 90 degrees. Let's select all of it. Rotate. Rotate on Z. That up a bit. Grab on or rotate X and move it up. Hit that again. Rotate on Z. Probably should just bend this. That does not look right. All of these. No, that doesn't even look better. Alright, I gotta grab the edges and do it. Grab these guys here. Down. Rotate them like that. And move them down. Work. This piece is way too straight. Don't want it to be too symmetrical. Is that like a fireplace? Maybe, maybe not. Those are overlapping, but to check the size though, a bit up and rock is okay. It's alright, I think. For freaking. Alright, so with that set, let's put an empty on it. The child. Let's call this fireplace. Then give it a child. Add a so this is where I'm gonna put the fire shader. So fire. I just call it fire. Put it on the fireplace. Control P. Transform. I did it backwards. Control E. Alright. Now let's add a rock texture. I really need to get some shape, some textures. Yep, I need textures. Could always come back to it though. Was let's do some. Oh, that's one more thing I need to do too. Burn. Let's go back to player stats. Burn. Now that I'm here thinking about it. What would burn do? It doesn't do nothing. Temp. Or instant health damage. Instant. An ailment, so I guess I should. It's supposed to do something, but I don't know. To make stamina go down faster? Yeah, sure. Stamina. Drop rate. Drop rate. Percent. That should that. Make sticks too. Alright. Go to 2. What that is. Please. This main node should be an area. Oh, wait. Actually, you should have put the fire. That's fine. Colors create a scene. Add. That should. But this is just if the player walks in it, burn him. But not gonna do anything with it yet. Fix. And on the fire here, gonna add a few particles. Yay, damn to the fun. Passes. Use a quad mesh. It's gonna be centered on this screen. Oh. Gotta figure out how to do that feature. It's on the material though. Or the mesh itself, who knows? Alright, I need to grab some of those textures. Any I put vertical. Perfect. There. Right, let's load up that texture. Then I need it to be add. Oh, and beta. There was an option to use vertex. Use as a oh. Let's set this guy up now. So now we need a data material. Process material, I mean. Gravity. Gravity. Velocity should. Yeah, let's go 5. Direction is up on Y. And on Z. Then get some colors in here. full yellow. But it should be enough scale. Color ramp. Yellow to more green and yellow, but yellow. I hate this thing. It's need to figure out how to do a billboard. That's somewhere in here or down here. Stuff. Bill. Oh. Right. Then darker. Okay. Yeah, that means I need I need to get proper textures for it, and not even shade smooth them either. Could go back and do that right now, but and I need the scale to be a lot bigger, and I need more as well. There's a bunch of stuff, but 20 for now. Let's scale them up. Where is it? Where is it? Scale curve. This texture gets larger to smaller. That. It shouldn't even be spreading like that, right? It should just be going straight up but getting smaller. So let's figure out direction, spread, no spread. There you go. And the time is a bit dumb too. Scale is weird. Max scale should put it at 20. Wonder if that scale doesn't work. In it. Oh, I have to do it in here. 20 here. That up. Pink. Working? No idea. Its lifetime is way too high too. That minus 0.5. Bit too. Oh, the color should actually go like black, I think. A smoky look. And that should last longer. Maybe. And it should eventually die out. A lot of things. Thinking. Am I doing something wrong here? Do I have to scale the actual draw pass? That's annoying though. 3 by 3. I don't like that. Do not like that. So 2. And the lifetime is a bit too long still. 5. This fire is violent. Hold on. Turn down the initial velocity. I need some rotations too. So and now I need to bring back the lifetime to 0.5 maybe. Ah, that's gonna be another issue. Change it to be a round thing, but passes. Flatness, velocity. Oh, let's get that to 2. And then I probably should use a velocity curve on this. Oh, that's angular. I don't need that. Clear. This one. Oh, this doesn't have one. That sucks. Alright, let's go to. Okay, that is fast. 0. Oh, somewhere. Still don't like that I can do this. If I were to make it face it. Alright, the proper scale curve. So the real scale curve should be something like this. Goes out like that. But it doesn't want to. Can I not scale a flat texture maybe? Alright, let's change this to be. Let me see it first before doing anything. Change this to be 3D. Yep, it does work now. Then material, then Godot, color. Quick load that fire. Transparency, alpha. That is driving. Oh. That is. Alright, let's fix that. Go back to this guy. Way too big. 1 and 0. Uh oh. 0 and 1. A bit huge. I need the rotation to be random as well. Personally, don't like this. Way too uniform. Alright, let's work on some other stuff. Initial velocity. Lifetime. Oh, I forgot to set albedo. Just I need it to be at random angles though. It doesn't look so one-sided. Let's see what. Angle. Am I looking at? Oh. velocity. Doesn't seem like certain things work. Hue variance. This doesn't even work either. Oh. That works, but mission. There. Another one. Oh, get rid of this. Dang. Messed that up the whole time. Huh? It's back up there. Color, bring it there. This works better. Interesting. Oh, I needed to Z face a Z. That's good. Word. Oh, that doesn't work for. Right, I figured I wouldn't. Dang it. I gotta do this over again for the plane. Wonder why it wasn't scaling though. Oh boy. Alright, let me do this plane this time. Just copy this before I even do anything. Copy this guy. And delete this guy. Make it a quad. Oh, that's what it was. Because I was using the quad. Because I could always change this to be based in X or Z. There you go. Yep, and it's still getting sized. Paste this material. There you go. I could turn on that billboard again. Remember there was a problem with that before. Oh, no actual shading. Shaded. Okay, what did I mess up? What's scaling or something? Oh, that's weird. Alright. Looks half decent. But instead of spawning it in the center every time, I need to make it that area. Kinda. Not really. It should be the center. Move it. Hide that for now. Scale seems finer. The color seems odd. Sometimes it's not the. Sometimes it starts as 0. Oh, that's why. That's a little bit black. A little bit transparent actually. Let it be transparent up here as well. Right here as well. I don't think that works though. Or does it? I want it to have rotations too. But that doesn't want to work. You know why? Color velocity? No. Is there a max to it? Low velocity. It's 3. Yeah, this does not work. Or is it this? I'm done. What? Okay, what? At the boat doing the same thing. Am I crazy? Dampen. Mango. Is that? Oh, temperature. Yeah, I'm thinking about because I have sick as a ailment that you can have. And, this guy. Go back to player stats. You can get sick. So to fix it, it goes away over time. Or eat health healing berry or whatever you want. I don't know what I'm gonna call him it. You're gonna have small trees that you could pick these. And you have poison, health depletion over time, imminent death. I don't know why I put that there, but these are the two most dangerous. See. Got 1 hour left. We'll have to go on dinner. Yeah, I need a better texture than this. I had one, but I don't know what I did with it. Double check here. I think I have it in my GitHub. Perhaps you think though. And it's models, I think. Here it is. Color map. Perfect. So I have a range of grays, range of all of these colors. I think this was Kenneth's thing, so I'm gonna download it. Put it back in Source of Dreams. Replace this color map. This is gonna cause problems, but actually no, let's not do that. Color map 2. Alright. Now I could swap this out. There. Okay. That's there. I could get us a darker. A little better. Oh, I need to roll. Should get better textures. I'll keep saying that until I finish making the game. Oh man. Port. Change. Not like how this looks. Oh well. This is butter, man. Like it's you're looking at the end of the wonder how I could work on to fix that. Duplicate the texture, maybe. Or did I do it in other games? Is it like a real fire, kinda simulating a real fire? Rails, drawing. Maybe it's the draw passes. Alright, let's test this out. Let's go back to island. Uh-oh. On the player. Add airplane. The reason I did that so I could like see it. It just goes right on the plate. I have to figure that. Oh, I need to fix it. I need to make it be world space so the fire goes straight up. If I go back to fireplace, drawing, local chords on. Oh, it's not local. Is it? Oh, I don't think it's local. Rotate this one. Oh, it's not. The local chord geometry. What? Am I crazy? Classes. Draw order, lifetime, do that. Transform line. Oh, I could have just did this here. Plus. Oh, there you go. So that's the fix for that. The other thing, I'm not paying attention. That didn't fix it. Oh well. There should be a world coordinate thing somewhere here. Something's broken. You know what I'm talking about? Right where it's been drawing. Why is it local is off, but it's still following it? See? Why is it following it? Go do that. Look. What? Is that a bug? Reload the scene. That is bug. See, there it is. It goes to it, then goes back. Huh. That is strange. Anyways, let's test it out. That is gonna drive me crazy. Yep, there it is. That's annoying. And there should be a light, right? Let's have some. For it. And I'm not let the thing. Oh, that actually comes helps with that color. Very bright yellow. Oh, it's what now? No way to know if it's day or night. So let's grab that directional light and night. Nice. A bit small though. Let's make that bigger. Oh. That thing actually extending the size? Energy, direction. Just that's a lot better. Yeah. Right, that's smart. And the reason that looks so shiny because I was messing with the painting. Gotta fix it. Go on green. Color. Paint roughness. Back to let me hide the collision. Bug. Show. The reason I was doing that was to cause the water is right there. But I was doing it way too big. Gonna drive me crazy. Oh, it should just be darker, not actually. Or maybe. Not sure. Go on a player. Go to HUD. Review. Instead of a color, just put it to black. Transparent. Save. Just like darker on there, maybe. I don't like it. And there's no interaction with it. I didn't paint down here either. Didn't do all of that. Oh, right. Yeah, I need the axe to actually go where I'm hidden. I didn't update the rocks. That's gonna be something that I won't like. Brother. Wow. I'll just leave that over there. I should put a timer on them too, just so they don't stay around the whole time. Or maybe not. Long, a 5-minute timer. Alright, I need to work on the patient. Convinced these rocks are too small? Am I crazy? Ah, gonna be annoying. Alright, need to work on the animation. Axe swing. Back to that. That's the part is it looks centered. Alright, so this part things down. Yeah. It's positioned to be God. That's what I don't like about it. I don't want that bit. Oh, I just saw the view. Yeah, that's more like it. Oh, actually inside the pill. Alright, let's insert that keyframe. Got one. Okay, that. Oh, I'm done. Key here. Oh dang, what the heck? Thanks, man. Thanks for the time, oh man. Yeah, thank you. Never seen that before. uh there you go. Does this look good? I think I should put the axe more right here. This I keep forgetting the view of the camera is not the end right here, it's just the point where it starts. That makes sense. The part that we're rotating, the origin. I gotta move this guy position. Move it back up to the camera. So about right here. Make sure I'm in view. Oh no, that's way too much. About there. A little bit down. And then let's grab that thing here. Third key. Oh, there's both of them right there. Annoying. Okay, that's the one I don't want. So delete that. Alright. Good. Bam. That looks. Oh, have to duplicate this too, or delete this too, and duplicate these guys here. It. What the heck? Did that happen? This and this the same? I'm guessing no. Yeah, that was weird. Probably should hold this out somewhere. Don't know if I like it. Don't know if I like it. Save and test it out. What? Oh, got a crash. Alright, so Alan, don't know why I crashed the last time. Sure. Nice. So it's right by where the actual collision is. Bam, bam. I might have to change that to actual collision area. Alright, I need this to be a lot better. I'm gonna redo this whole thing. Whole area. I should need to work on that one. Alright. Go back to player. Fix up the other one. Go to pickaxe thing. Let's put its initial position to be somewhere more reasonable. Here. Yeah, it looks. No, it's weird. They that bit. Perspective is so weird, man. Alright. Aren't that one? Oh, that's snap again. Don't know why that keeps turning on. Oh, right. Dumb. Did I delete something? Oh no, I didn't. Oh. This one. Let me go back to move it up a bit. So for position here, bring this. Then we're gonna Good thing is the rotation pretty much where I want it to be. Or just need to set the it's over and yeah. That's this. They rotated this. Or in the, you guys can see the lines, right? Ah, those yellow lines. I'm trying to like line up in the center of it. I need to rotate it on Y, I think. Switch the local. Here. Little more. Then I can insert a key. Ah, I messed it. Get rid of these. Replace them with oh, because it's at the end. Went over. Rotation tick. Rotation do the same. Just oops. Oh. These two should be the same as well. I need to make sure it's centered first. Let's go back to global and move. Oh, delete that one. Duplicate this one. Oh. I like it. Wait, swings. Now, need this and this to be the same. Delete this one, this guy, and duplicate it here. Alright, let's. Terrible. Alright. Oh, position. it shouldn't actually like swing all the way forward since it's the tip is the part that gets hit. It shouldn't swing all the way down. So in other words, let me show you what I mean. Pickaxe. Stop like right there. Copy that. Doing. Centered though. Gotta figure out that position. Probably shouldn't collide with the player, right? Tiny bit. You know what I want to do? I'm gonna make a test scene in what you call it? Blender. So I can actually see what I'm point is right here. Position needs to be moved slightly over. Oh, I'm dumb. See the blue line? That's exactly where I need it to be on. Let's move that all the way up to there. So the pick is touching that thing. But now it's in the screen. Great. I guess I could move it. Why is it? Right, the angle is back to world and then back to local again and move it back. That just need a tip to touch the tip of the line here, or at least close to. That should be. All right, I insert that key. That one. That one. Is duplicate the. This one should be. So. Oh, too high now. I don't need to delete that one. save and Alan makes more sense. Close. That rock is just going. On the fix too. I gotta do something about those collisions. Terrible. It hits me. Alright, let me mess with some textures. Cause I don't wanna I'm tired of looking at that now. And they're way too big too. UV scale. Bring it on a tad bit. Oh, that's scaling it up. Weird. Let's put it to 1. Ah. 8.5 then. That looks a lot easier in the eyes. Nice. Now we're talking. Looks like a place. If not really. Man. Gonna need animations for that. Alright, let's mess with some more textures. So the sucky thing with this is the texture, and you have to import it into GIMP and then export it back again. Kinda weird. Let me show you what I mean. Pop open GIMP. Then open as layers. Add my textures. Alright, I need some dirt. Rocks. Airflow. So this is the one I'm using right now. Oh, this looks like it could be a beach thing. Alright, so what I have to do is image, I think. Oh, colors, not components. Pose. E. Then I have to add a new layer to it. Call it alpha. Already did that already. Then just make that a full gray. Oh, what I could do that is use the actual roughness for it. Open as layers. Roughness. Name this alpha. Delete this one actually. Move alpha channel. Oh, nope. Delete. Alright, so now I have to go back here, colors, components, RGBA. For alpha, I think that's already selected. There you go. Then we go to here. Export as what was the original name? Gravel floor. Gravel floor. But yes, I think it was in Forest of Dirt. Alright, then compression should be 3.5. Generate bitmaps. Alt rep mode. Blah blah blah. This should be good. Sort. Now go back here. Sort. There's lava floor. Yes. So create a new one and drag this in here. And it gets the normal, but it is not have a normal. I think I have to do it with a normal too. But I'm gonna leave that for now. So let's paint. Paint. This guy. Select the gravel floor. Bit too big. Test it out. And up. Funny thing is this whole section covered. Let me hide the water for a sec. This whole place should be covered. Oh, it's no opacity. I wonder what's the best way to do this. Here's a splat brush. Must be some. Yes. Fall out with the size. I hate it. I have to be careful if I paint right here. This is gonna become a new section. All water. The water again. Oh. Oh, I know how I could prevent the player from going out here. So once you're swimming, you get fatigued over time. Kind of like Legends of Zelda, where you get tired once you're in water. Alright, good. I could just... No, this isn't perfect. To create some flat areas too. Let's do the transparent. The harsh cutoff. There's no fall off to this? Free. Okay. No fall off. Like, unless I'm missing something. The texture ID, UV scale, station. It's the 0.5, by the way. Rotate. I don't need that. Here this looks. Nice. All I need is some all it. This looks good. Need to flatten it a bit. There is a transfer. Not half bad actually. No, I need like grass areas. Let's flatten this. Here's a player. That would be. Oh, I could. Go ahead. Looks. Got it. Looks cool. Still need to fix it. I know you have a little weird error. And it's wet too. Dang. That looks so cool. Alright. I wonder how they're gonna add grass to this stuff. That's right from fix fireplace. Oh, let's start of something. Right. Hey Leon, thanks man. Oh boy. I I got a few stuff going on. I know you're probably new too, but let me show you. Show you what I got so far. So this doesn't do anything yet. Just working on it now. Good. Oh man, it's too steep. Go around. I have a pickaxe and the axe so far. I need a pickaxe for rocks. And then I need, I don't know why those aren't textures. I'll fix that. I have an inventory as well. Just picked up 2 stones. I had one already. By default, I was just testing stuff out. And I could craft another pickaxe. I need to fix this whole thing up. I don't know why this is going off screen too. Weird. And then status isn't set up yet. Ah, I didn't mean to close. Sure. Then I also have the axe already used already, but this guy's down. No sound for it yet, but these are logs. I wondered how I need logs for like making a house and stuff like that. And I think I need to make a crafting tree maybe. Like you get better at crafting stuff the more you craft stuff. I don't know. Sounds backwards, but I don't think that's necessary now. I think how far these roll too. Alright. Like how this fireplace is working perfectly. Those visioning. Should the fire be yellow around the light? I mean, I think it's fine. Yeah. And surely it is. Oh, too high. Oh, this is right here shiny. I've been messing with the terrain system, so I messed up. Like this area shouldn't be shiny like this. Let me clean it up. Zoom out, find where it is. Right here. There. And terrain roughness. Turn off debug. Why does it look like it's on? Or is it the? Oh, it's the water doing this. You can see things. Actually, no, it's just a tree. Just the tree being a tree, doing its stuff. Collision. Alright, so what else I need? I want to know if Godot is hiding the trees once they're out of view. I think they are, but need to also hide them once they're far away as well. I think I need to generate stuff for that. Do that actually. Oh, where is it? That's it. Models. So the tree itself, I want to generate something for occluder. I think that's what it is, right? Mesh plus occluder, occlude only. Oh, nice. It is. Now let's see if that has default. Fresh. general. I need to show the performance too. I need a debug. Let's create one. Here, canvas. There. Debug. Bug. View. Dev tools. Save this. Tools. You'll see. Then need some box container. Could throw a labels on here. Label. Oh, let's FPS. Let's start. Make. Okay. Unready for. Oh. The FPS. I'll go. Text equals to FPS at and string. Then I think engine dot get frames per second. Oops, frames per second. There you go. This is gonna return 60 by default, so for this. I wanna throw it on somewhere. Should make it auto load, right? Where's FPS? F2. And I need to actually hide no interaction from this guy. On this and go to input our mouse. Or alright, let's oh, I didn't even place it somewhere. Where am I? Right there. Then yes. Test it out now. If this I need to unlock it though. So let's go back here. Project settings. General. Let's sync. Sync. Advanced settings. Window. Where was it? Oh, VSync. Oh, I'm in the wrong search window. VSync. Disabled. Alright, now we should see some crazy frames. Go. 500. Uh-oh. Now that I disabled VSync, my mouse is weaker. That means I'm doing something wrong with the update. I wish I could see the trees updated. Like what does the low value look like? Oh well. Okay, I need to fix that. So This guy here, rotation, delta. Did I not use delta? Which makes no sense to me, but here we are. Delta should be helping, right? Oh no, it doesn't. Boy, divided by 60. I'm gonna try something and see what happens. Divided by 60. Don't think that's gonna help, but it's an experiment. Nope. Or multiplied by 60. Nope. How can I fix that so it doesn't change based on my frames? If I'm getting more frame rate, so I don't know. I have no idea. This is drama queen. Let's see. That would happen. Guess I gotta limit it somehow. I think I have to physically limit it. Is there a way to do that? This window. Turn that off. Window. There must be a max frames or something. Load. I know games do that all the time. FB. That frames itself. There. Iteration. Nah, I don't know about that. What's the delay between frames? Okay, so milliseconds. What's the delay between frames? Loop in milliseconds. This may be useful if you plan to disable desync. Let's see. So 1000. So 1 second delay between. That sounds bad. Let's see how that looks. It's literally 1 frame per second. Damn. Oh, there it is right there. That's funny. Alright, let's do that. I didn't even know that was there. That's funny. Let's put it at, I don't know, 20. Oh, that's literally how they do it. So I limited it to 45 frames. Interesting. That's cool. So I need a less, so 10 milliseconds. And if you guys could see that through the stream, maybe you can. The jittery looking. Here it is, 70 frames per second. 84. Oh, it's going up and down. That's cool. So that's the hard limit. So even if you turn off VSync on your system, playing the game, whatever I said here is gonna be the max. So I have to do the math to figure out what's 144, for example. That would be my screen limit. So I think it's some kind of math. I'll figure it out. Let's put that at 0. And let's disable the, let's enable the vsync. At least I know it's more than 6. Not important. What else I need? Need drawn objects in view or something like that. What do they call it again? Draw calls. That's what it is. Draw calls. And that is this. Draw calls, and then we could decall text equals draw calls. I think it's in the engine or the render. I think it's render. Get draw call. Yep, it's the render. Call again. Render server. Render insert. Get. Oh. I don't remember how video. Get object server. Where would I get that from again? I know how to do it, but I don't remember where it was. Dang it. Alright, let me look it up and go quick. I have one of these in the good draw calls. Good already. Performance. That's 2 years ago. Oh, man. Code. I can't remember how I did that. Oh well. I know there's a way to get it, but let's get something. Get frame drawn, get render and info. There it is. Objects in frame. Oh, there it is. Frame. Perfect. I know it was somewhere. Save that and then run again. $125. Oh, so it does work. There you go. So whenever I'm not looking at the trees, there's nothing being drawn. At the same time, that's bad. Trees and rocks, I mean. See if it go down while I'm walking away from it. It is going. So the problem now is I need to not draw stuff that are far away from it. He's going down more. I think the leaves are a separate jar crawl from the tree. Not all the leaves, just all the leaves are one object. This and the other jar crawls are the terrain. That's cool. Alright guys, I'm gonna jump off for today. I'm gonna set up this debug view thing and then I don't know, do another stream tomorrow maybe. Where is it? Oh no, I can't stream tomorrow. I'm gonna be at the doctor. I'm gonna get my wisdom tooth all pulled out. All four at the same time. I don't want to do it. Alright guys, take care. Oh man.